so guys, just see how huge they are. Oh my god, they're so healthy. See how they're so huge, and they're running away from me. I'm a stranger to them. Just see. Oh my god, they're so huge. So huge, and they're running away from us. Just see. Oh my god. See. Don't run from us. Please, why running from us? You're not strangers. They're afraid of us, by the way. They're so afraid of us. Ow. And I love them. Wow. They are so huge. Oh, this sheep, oh my god. See those sheep out there, so huge. And the others are giving birth, small babies. See? This one is milking. That small one is milking, yeah? Oh, this is where they sleep. This is their habitat. See this small babies. Yes, guys, see how it's so huge. And they're running away from me. I don't know why. See how they are. They're running away from me. And I run also. Running away. See? No where they're going. See? See this? Zinanitoroka. They're running away. Toroka is running away from me. Just say.